What's up, guys? Catch me in rare form here, up early in the morning. Found this Audi listing on Craigslist for an A6 with some problems, and that always gets my attention. So I guess it's got some transmission issues and an oil leak. So currently working on this Q5 right here, doing the timing chain covers and all that fun stuff. But found this A6 online for pretty cheap, no posting, or no pictures in the posting or anything like that. Out in Tacoma, about an hour and away. So I'm gonna go scope it out. I'll show you guys the posting and what I'm working with and see if it's a good deal or not. Grabbing a couple of supplies so I can check it out, make sure I don't get bopped, and see you guys soon. All right, so I grabbed the wife's car and got like $1,800, so nothing crazy. I don't want to pay more than that. And this is the ad that I found. It says 2007 Audi A6 for sale, needs work, call for more info. No pictures. Sure, it has kind of high miles, but if I can get that for $1,800, it's an easy $5,000 to $6,000 car, and I can fix everything myself. So let's see if it's worth anything. All right, guys, so out here I just picked up this Audi, but they didn't want to film and everything like that, so I respect that. But peep it, swoop this up real quick. Got it for like $1,800, so not a bad price. We're gonna rock it. Yes, sir. Inside's not in too bad condition. It fires right up, but it's got an oil leak. Sitting right at about 160,000 miles, so it's got an oil leak and a transmission issue. It'll only drive in sport mode, but that's all right. We're gonna get all that sorted out. Gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna drive this for a while. I might get rid of the wagon, and I'm gonna sell this too, because we're actually trying to move. So we've been super busy. We had a newborn. We've been selling some cars, selling some stuff, getting ready for a big move. So lack of posting there. I got all kinds of exciting content coming for you guys. We're gonna actually flip this car. I'll show you guys the whole process of what I do. We're gonna fix everything so the next owner actually gets a super reliable vehicle. I gotta stop and grab some oil because this oil leak is not the greatest, and we've got about a 45-minute drive, and we wanna keep the oil topped off. So we're gonna be stopping every 10-15 minutes to put oil in this thing. Let's go.
That system's been running.
Yeah, give it the wipe and go. All right, so we got the O'Reilly's full synthetic, just because it's about to pour all over the oil, the engine anyways, so. Peep it out and see where we're at. Looks like we're at max level so far, so we'll check it in 30 minutes or so. All right, so we just got back to the house. Got the car here safely. I checked the oil a few times up here to make sure that everything was good and nothing was messed up or anything like that, but you know, could use some new tires. Interior just needs a really good cleaning. Nothing wrong with the interior. We just got a little scuff on the bumper, little scuff back here. I did, unfortunately, I missed this. Even though I would still buy the car like that, because it's really not that bad. It's just a little piece of damage. Would have been cool to negotiate a little further, but a really clean car other than that. So got a few other projects. Got a BMW up there to finish. And we got Audis and BMW galore. And then we got this Q5 I'm working on. I'm just doing the timing chains on here, so gonna get this done, finish the BMW, and then finally get the Audi in here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.